So hello guys, welcome to our channel Code Riders. So today in this video we are going to create a Google clone with the help of ChatGPT. So now let's get started. So first we have to come on the new browser and we have to open ChatGPT. And we will search for generate code for Google clone using HTML, CSS and Java. It can't provide us the actual clone, but it is fine to provide us some simple code. A simple clone only we want. So let's see. So we got the code. First we will copy the HTML and we will come here. We have created one folder in the next.html file. We will paste this file here, the code here, and we will create one more file which is our styles.css. We'll come back and we'll copy the CSS part. Let's copy here and we'll paste here. Paste here. Let's see what we got. So it's running already. We'll run again. So see the perfect design we want. We got. Now we have to add the search part. So let's come back to our ChatGPT and we will copy the JS code. And we will go back and here we will create star script tag. Paste the JS code inside it and just save. Come back and refresh. Now let's search for YouTube. So we are on the new page. We are on the same page, but it's loaded and we got the search results for the YouTube. We'll go back. Search for anything else. Let's search Instagram. And we got search for Instagram. Search results for Instagram. So we have created a clone in just less than 2 minutes, I can say. Now you can use this clone in your own website and you can create more functionalities, and you can use this as your personal Google browser in your own website. So thanks for watching this video. Please do like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Till then, keep writing.